Speaker's back on. Obviously I cut the hole out for the speaker for it to set back in nicely. But all in all, I'm really pleased. So now the inner liner is done, the vapor barrier is done. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what it's gonna be like, and forgive the mess, but let's take a look at what it's gonna be like to line all of our cabin bowl as well, because that's really all of the basic skills that you're going to do, and then you're gonna repeat it through the entire car. All right, so forgive the afternoon sun, I've got quite a bit of reflection right now, but I kind of wanted to show you a before and after on how to take the interior carpet up here in this E53 X5. Now again, every car is going to be different, but I'm just going to show you specifically in this case. So one of the very first things you're going to want to do is pull these inner pieces. These are actually held by plastic rivets, just like we saw on the door panels. So you're going to want to get your plastic trim tool underneath, and they'll pop out. It'll go all the way down. Now in this case, on the driver's side, there is one screw right here, which I'm going to turn around and I'll show you on the passenger side what it looks like when this comes apart. This piece comes off, this piece will come off, and they've got those plastic rivets set in. This will start to lift. Now, to get that off, again, you run your plastic trim tool here under the door sill, which will come out. It has plastic rivets that it often will leave behind. So here's one of them left behind right at the moment, okay? So make sure to pull those out. Now, what you're also gonna do is you're gonna pull off your B-pillar. This has two plastic rivets at the bottom, here and here. So get your plastic trim tool underneath, pry it up, and then it has hooks that set it right here at the top, and it'll feed away. You'll do the same thing on your trim here.